Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you've probably seen from the title above the video, an unboxing and a thank you. I've just literally walked in from work now to a wonderful surprise, but I knew it was coming because do you remember a video a week or so ago I was talking about Wickham soaps and how I'd contacted Wickham's and asked them for pots and so on, because a very generous subscriber and viewer contacted me pretty much when I very first started the channel. Really, I'd not been going long at all, and he sent me so many Wickham soaps. It was unbelievable. And since then he sent me a wonderful brass handle I've got on my R41, and he sent me a wonderful scuttle as well to have warm lather. He put warm water in it and have warm lather during the winter months. Very kind, very generous person. And I just want to say to him personally, thank you. I will thank him privately first before this airs, but I want to thank him publicly as well. And I want to share with you what he sent me. The box is here. There you go. He said to me, John, he said, because do you remember I told you about how I wanted to buy the Wickham pots? I don't know what that is. They're pots. I imagine they're pots. But anyway, he got in touch with me. He said, John, I've still got some of those pots. I will send them to you and you can put your Wickham soap in. He said, and I'm downsizing the den and I'll send you a few little bits and bobs. And that's all I know. So I'm going to do the unboxing and you'll see it as I see it. So, well, let's get it in there. Always nerve-wracking. It's always good, isn't it? So yeah, thank you to the person. He just wants to remain known as a friend of the channel. I'd love to tell you all his names so you can all, well, you can thank him anyway, can't you, in the comments to this. Just say thank you, friend of the channel. Because I really do appreciate stuff like this. It helps me out. It helps keep the channel going, you know. Anyway, here we go. Oh, there's a little note here. I won't show you. Hi, John. I hope you can make good use of this lot. If not, I know you will do what you have to do with it. Happy shaving. Please turn over to see a list of razors. Okay, so there must be there's some razors in here. Wow. Wowee. Here we go. Right. I will leave that there and we'll get in. We'll get into it, shall we? I'll try and make this as quick as possible, but I'm not going to rush it. Wonderful, wonderful, generous gift. Okay. Look at this. Wickham's classic vegetal shave soap one. Oh man, that smells fantastic. So I've got them, always excited. He did actually send me a lot of these, and some of them he didn't send me, but he'd used the pots up, or the pots were near up, and he sent me the pots as he's used them up. You know, he cut the half a pot out and sent half to me. And I think because this was all he was using, I assume that he's gone through them quicker than me. So now the pots are almost empty. So I'll send them up, because he saw that video. I'll send them up and look at this. Nymphaeal. Oh, that smells absolutely wonderful. So I've got the samples to these. I will put on top of these. So thank you very much. Very, very much. Very, very welcome. Look at this. Absolutely wonderful. Wow, very generous. That's nearly a full pot. And what I can see here in the corner, we've got a matching balm as well. A good set there. Absolutely love Wickham soaps. Wickham soaps are just superb. Apricot. I don't remember trying this one. Oh, that smells nice. That smells nice. My wife's just over there on the sofa doing the family finances. She'll smell all these after, because she likes to smell it. She loves all this. Oh, look, a personal favourite, Wickham's Cashmere. Ooh. Oh That's absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much. Now, I'll tell you, he sent me a sample of this. And looking at it, it looks like the only bit that's gone out of it is the sample that he sent me. But I remember when I used it, I was just absolutely blown away. And I said to this day, this is without doubt the greatest UK produced shaving soap I've ever used. That's only for me, I only speak for me personally. But it looks like he's very kindly, very generously sent me a full tub. Look at this. And here it is. Can you see it? Look, you see that? Look, Castle Forbes. Look, you see me there in the lid of the Castle Forbes. That's entertainment for you. Look at this, guys. Look. Can you see that's just about as much as he brought out for the sample? Oh, it smells wonderful. This stuff produces an exceptional lather. Absolutely exceptional lather. Castle Forbes, thank you very, very much. Razor blades, I will open in a minute. Look at this. Razors, I will put them on one side and I will open them in a minute. Okay, what we got here? Empty pots. Yeah, look. Thank you very much. Look, Russian leather. I've got half a puck of that. Parma violets. Now, do you remember, if you go and watch the video, I bought some. You can get some candies in the UK called Parma violets, and I got them and cut the Parma violets off and stuck it to the top of an old plastic pot. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Here's some more. I'll keep these elastic bands as well. Nothing to waste. Look, English rose. I can't remember whether or not I've used that. I've got it in there. I think he sent me about 8 samples, and I think I used 6 of them. And I think I've got a Christmas one, which I'm actually going to use in a week or two. And oh yeah, well, there you go, Christmas spruce, and the other one. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much. And here, look, Goodfellas Smile, Orange Empire. Look at that. Do you know what that? Do you know what that smells like? To me, that smells like iced tea. You know, like yeah, like orange or lemon scented iced tea. Absolutely wonderful. Very nice, very refreshing. I've actually seen that about. I was humming and hawing whether or not to get it. And the same with this. Look at this, guys. Euchris. GOF Trumper. Wow. Lovely. Let's have a... Oh, that smells nice. Oh, do you know what? That's going to be one of those I'm going to be sat opening all night now and just going, oh, that's nice. That really is very, very nice. So there we go. That's for the soaps and the pots. Wonderful. Okay. What we'll do now is we'll have a look at the razors and the blades. Razor blades. Here we go. Tiger. Oh, Shaver Boy. I've been after some of those. Derbies. I've got some, not Derby, as IMCDB would say. Derby blades, the Derby blades. Shaver X. They're really, really good blades. I like them. I like them a lot, actually. They're very good blades. Oh. Here we go. I've never seen these before. Check this out, guys. Blue Sword. Alright. By the Lord Company. They'll be getting used very soon. Wonderful. That's those. I feel like a child at Christmas. All this stuff. Wonderful generosity. and the razors. Okay. Okay, so we've got, he's labelled them all up here. Thank you very much. Do you know, also I saw the price of the postage to post this to me. And that in and of itself is extremely generous. So, do you know, I'm humbled. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much for this. Here we go. Number 1, Wilkinson sword. Let's have a look. I can't get the... there we go. Wilkinson sword. Look. Now, that's an absolutely beautiful razor. Absolutely beautiful. Now I've got one of those. So what I may do is I will keep this one. I never give away anything that's given to me as a gift. I just don't do it. That was why when Dennis sent me, what was the razor? He sent me the Fine Marvel razor. I kept his and gave mine away. And mine was brand new, you know. But I just don't consider it something that's it's just not polite, is it? I just don't do it. It's just me. So I will keep that one, and I will probably give mine away. That's absolutely fantastic. Number 2. Here we go. This is the Global Shave Club's Replitech. Now I have to be honest with you, the professional YouTube wet shaver. I'm not actually sure if I've ever. Yeah, yes, I know, yeah. Wonderful. Now I've got a Gillette Tech, but it doesn't feel as heavy as this. Look at this, guys. Yeah, that feels very grippy as well. Oh yeah, that's wonderful. That's a better handle than my Gillette one. I will look forward to trying that for sure. Thank you. Number 3 is a Merkur 34C. And here there's what I haven't got a Merkur 34C. I've got the Merkur 34G. I had the Merkur 34C, which I actually like and love, an absolutely wonderful razor. But I gifted mine to somebody. I'm not big in my own trumpet or anything, but I do like to pass things forward and so on, you know. So I did have a 34C and I gave it, but that one feels like, it looks like it's a lot shorter than the one I had, or maybe it's just my memory. But I'm glad you've sent me that one. Thank you very much. Number 4, the Merkur 34 CT. So let's have a look. Wow. It's not CT, John. Does that look? Look at number 4. Look. Number 4. Does that look like 34 CT to you? Look. It's a 34G. Wow. I'm absolutely blown away. Now I've got a 34G, but mine is actually scratched. It's damaged, so. But this is wonderful. Do you know what? And I don't think mine's got that. I don't know if they've all got that writing on there. I don't ever remember seeing it on mine. Thank you very much. Once again, very, very generous. And the one I'm looking forward to, Executive Shavings Braveheart. Now I wanted one of these. I really did. But you know, when you're on a budget, you have to pick your battles, don't you? You have to get what you can when you can. So this was always kind of put on the back burner because I got another kind subscriber, Stuart, did me a good deal, and I got the Outlaw. So it meant I could put this on the back burner while I got some other stuff. But now look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow. I'm absolutely blown away. I'm delighted. Oh man. Yeah. Wow. Wow. We cannot wait to use this. That's a hefty beast. That's a beautiful looking razor. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. I really do. I really do feel like a kid at Christmas. So that's the unboxing, guys. And the unboxing's only the part of it. The reason for the video really was to say a very public thank you to the friend of the channel. Like I said, I will message him, email him, and thank him privately for all this wonderful, generous stuff before this goes up. But I wanted to share it with you and show you this wonderful stuff and just highlight to you just how kind and generous and wonderful the people are, you know. So thank you. Have a wonderful day. I'm trying to think of what day. It's Monday. It's Monday, yeah. I'll probably put this up in the morning, so because I'll edit it this evening, and I'll put this up in the morning. So have a wonderful week, everybody, and I will see you on Wednesday, surprisingly enough, for the Wednesday shave. And I'm going to use that Braveheart. Oh no, I can't. Do you know what? I've already edited and done the thumbnail and everything, so I can't. But maybe I'll use that on Saturday. Cheers, guys. Bye.